Hello and welcome to the video. This is a giveaway for this thing here. This is the Eachine TYRO69 kit. Now this is actually a kit with all the parts included. I'll show you how it all comes inside, and when it's built up makes a really cute little 2 to 3S FPV racing drone that's well under the 250 gram limit, if that's important to you. So opening the box, you can see inside here that we have all the power connectors, so the XT30 leads for your receiver and stuff. We have all the spacers and screws. There's the little flight controller, the ESCs, the motors, the battery strap, we have the frame, we have the props. Now the only thing that you're going to need in here is you are going to need a receiver, and you're going to need obviously a radio and a battery. Now the parts in here, it's an F4 based Eachine F411 flight controller. It has 20 amp BL Heli ESCs. The little motors are Eachine 1104 8600 kV 2 to 3S motors, very cute little looking things, loads of two-bladed propellers, and a little Cadix Beetle V2 camera, which will give you the FPV image. Now you're going to need a 450 milliamp hour 3S battery for this to put it together, but this for somebody is going to make a really fun little project. You're going to have to be reasonably good at soldering, but if you like building quadcopters and you have a spare receiver kicking around somewhere, then this is going to be right up your street. Now to enter the giveaway, it's pretty standard stuff. Like the video, make sure you're a subscriber, and leave a comment down below. I'll also put a link to this on the Banggood website. The Tyro models do give quite a lot of fun for the amount of money that they cost. So if you do want to get one of these, then the link is below. Good luck to everybody who enters the draw. I'll do the draw in a couple of weeks. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support, and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organise all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless 360 will find all of my videos and even the playlist around iNav. So thanks again for watching, and happy flying.